So it's a matter of growing up spiritually. And this practice will, in course of time, make us become mature. Another example that comes to mind in this respect. One little boy and a little girl, they're friends, they're children, they play with each other, they're friends. But then they grow up to their maturity, then all of a sudden they feel the attraction for each other that they never felt when they were little children. But when they grow up, then it automatically dawns in them. The boy becomes, all of a sudden, he feels something is happening to his heart when he comes near that girl, which never happened before. So similarly, a spiritual maturity will actually enable us. How wonderful it is, what a wonderful feeling it is to be in love with Krishna. Otherwise, when you are young, we do not know what love is. But when you spiritually grow to a maturity, then we develop this understanding what this love is. We recognize that this love is the source of joy. Our heart feels in a certain way that it never experienced it before. And as a result of that, a tremendous attraction for Krishna develops. And everything in this world becomes totally meaningless, totally insignificant. So that is the gift. So for us, it's only a matter of cultivating the process. And in course of time, yes, we'll grow up. But while we are growing up, let us not neglect this process of growing up. Therefore, we have to practice the process of Sadhana Bhakti. Sadhana Bhakti will take us to the Prema Bhakti. The practicing of devotional service, that's why it's so important that we diligently, most earnestly practice the process. And then the result will be there in course of time. And those who will benefit or those who will experience that outcome of this process, they are the real fortunate souls. They are the real fortunate souls. So please accept this process wholeheartedly, practice it most diligently, most earnestly, with full confidence, full faith. That result will be there. Utsaha, nishchaya. We must practice the process with full enthusiasm. Nishchaya, full conviction. Yes, it will happen. It will happen. If I practice the process with conviction and enthusiasm, then yes, love for Krishna will be achieved.